Hello dear kids, this is Alka Mehrotra and you are watching Curiosity Solver. See, after a long gap, I'm here again with that topic that we were reading, that we were doing previously. Okay, so in noun only few points were left and here I have written each and every point. आज हम लोगों के जो मेन टॉपिक्स हैं वो हैं possessive nouns, concrete noun और material noun. तो आज हम लोग केवल इनके बारे में समझेंगे. बहुत डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, इजी है और आप आराम से समझ भी जाएंगे. Children, there will be a disturbance in this video because of these crackers. Diwali is there, you all must be enjoying. But never mind. See, the concept which is going to be explained in front of you all, that will make the concept clear. And in spite of having all such noises and all that, you people will be able to enjoy the video and you will be able to learn something from that. Okay? हम बात कर रहे हैं possessive noun के बारे में. Here I have written few examples that are related to it. Fine. But you will have to give more emphasis on the particular words and they are known as subjects. यहाँ हमारे पास 4 sentences हैं in which into I have written singular subject and in last these two I have written plural ones. Simple सा difference है. If I am using anything in singular, I will put a sign of apostrophe and then after I will write down S in that. That will be Ram's parrot. Here, what is the meaning of possessive noun? जहाँ पर हम possession को show करते हैं, जहाँ पर हम ये show करते हैं something is belonging to us, belonging to anyone. यहाँ पे parrot किसको belong कर रहा है? Obviously राम को. Frog किसकी है? रीना की. So if you are using singular subject, हम हमेशा apostrophe लगाएंगे and then after we will write down S in that. लेकिन if we are using plural subjects, क्या होगा? Words will be written and then after you will put a sign of apostrophe in that. Frogs croaking, birds nest. Simple सा difference है, बहुत clearly समझ में आ गया होगा. These subjects are written in plural and here these two subjects are written in singular number, and because of that there is a slight change in the sign of apostrophe. First apostrophe sign is there, then after S is written, and in plurals S is already written and then after I have put a sign of apostrophe. लेकिन जब हम बात करेंगे किसी ऐसे चीज़ के बारे में जिसमें जान ही नहीं है, like the bank of a river and a bundle of sticks, okay? For that, it is important, if you are going to show possession, if you are going to show a possessive noun in that, we will have to use F in it. That will be a clear concept. आप of का use करेंगे, the pile of books, bank of a river. So जो चीज़ें mostly collective nouns में use हो जाते हैं, लेकिन ध्यान केवल इतना रखना है, the things which are having no life in it, we will use F, and here the life, the things which are having life, we are using subjects. Subjects कैसे हैं, singular हैं या plural हैं, उनमें आपको apostrophe का ध्यान उसी तरह से रखना है और लगाना है. आइए अब हम बात करेंगे दूसरे दो टॉपिक्स के बारे में. One is material noun and second is concrete noun. बहुत सिंपल सा डिफरेंस है दोनों के बीच में. जब हम मटेरियल नाउन के बारे में बात करते हैं, इसका मतलब है the thing that is made up of any material. If we are talking about a table, that is made up of wood. If I am talking about my ornaments, they are made of gold. If I am talking about a house, that is made up of bricks, steel, cement. तो ये सारी चीज़ें, like the material that we are using in making a particular thing, that comes in the material noun. बहुत simple होते हैं और उसमें particularly आपको दिया जाता है वो word like gold, like wood, like rubber, like plastic. These kind of words will be there in the particular sentences, so it will be easy to mark them. मगर जब हम concrete की बात करते हैं, it should be having, that denotes material kind of quality, but rather than like abstract qualities in that state, that action. If we are talking about a dog, if we are talking about a building, if we are talking about a tree, what is that? That is not made up of any material. We are not talking about that it's made up of material, but it is not having abstract qualities also. Alright, that is a concrete noun. You can touch that. We are not talking about feelings. You can touch that. You can see that. You can feel them even. Everything is there. But that is away from abstract qualities, abstract action or the state. Right? anything can come in concrete noun. You can see that, you can feel that, you can touch that. Okay, everything will come in that. So that is a slight difference in material noun and concrete noun. हमारे नाउन के टॉपिक्स यहाँ ख़त्म होते हैं. हम लोगों ने सब चीज़ें पढ़ी. कॉमन, प्रॉपर, देन आफ्टर कलेक्टिव, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, देन आफ्टर possessive, material, concrete. तो इतनी बात तो समझ में आ गई होगी. It's a vast topic. You're having so many things in that, but we have not discussed about singular, plural. We have not discussed about genders. If you wish, I can make a separate video on that also, but they are very common. See, in genders only you have to learn something. Okay, some different points will be there, but in singular, plural we can talk about some important points if you wish to. If you really want, you can send me in the comment section. You can write down your message in that. And if you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. And regularly, without any break now, I will start posting some videos on that. Okay, so I hope you all must be enjoying the video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.